What's going on, guys? Kendall Leven here with Feels Like Home Construction, and today we are going to talk about checklists and things to do before you put up sheetrock in your home you're building. Right now we're doing an apartment complex, so I'm going to walk you through some steps of what to look for. First one's first is make sure obviously all of your insulation is done, and we foam around all of our doors and windows. Since this apartment complex is 3 stories, we also make sure that we foam all of our penetrations going up to the 2nd and 3rd floor. First of all, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're going to be posting a lot of good content. We are starting into some developments. This is our big project right now, this apartment complex. So if you want to follow along with the progress and keep up with us, just subscribe to our channel so you can follow along. Yes, make sure all your penetrations are foamed, doors and windows. Like I said, you can refer back to our previous videos of everything to do for rough frame before you do installation. But the sheetrock is a huge one, because once that sheetrock goes on, it is very difficult to be able to go back and touch anything up or add things that you need to that you forgot about. So insulation and foam is a huge one. TV and cable wires. This is very important. You need to figure out and pre-plan where you're going to want to run all of those lines, because this makes it so much easier doing it before the sheetrock goes on. That's a big one. We ran all of ours in the living rooms, and then one in each bedroom, so that's already taken care of and finished. The next thing is lighting. Make sure all of your can lights are placed where they need to be, your vanity lighting, any chandeliers. Just make sure that all of that is taken care of. Your electrical boxes, they're all in line around the wall. You can see right now, like, ours are all perfectly positioned, same height, same distance around. This is the kitchen, so that's a big one. Checklist for all of your electrical, and as you move on to the things after that, do a checklist for all of your plumbing. And most of you might be building a home, or if you are doing a multifamily, a good thing to check for is all of your plumbing lines, your drains for your sink. If you are custom home building, we don't have one in here, but as a pot filler, you can forget that pretty easily, so that's a big one. The process of construction can move so fast sometimes that you might forget what is going on, or things just move too quick. Down really quickly and easy for you as a home builder if you're getting your house built, or if you are the builder, to make sure you have checklists done before your sheetrock goes up, because it is very important that you check through all of your lines, your plumbing, your electrical. If you want security cameras, just little things like that are so much easier to do before the sheetrock. And if you have checklists and you go through and you make note of things beforehand, then you'll be prepared for whenever it goes on, so you don't have to make the mistake of going back and cutting through it later on. My name's Kendall Leven with Feels Like Home Construction, and we love interacting with you guys and showing just things that we've learned along the way. And if you love these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be posting a lot more content every week.